¿Qué tal, amigas y amigos coleccionistas? Bienvenidos. Welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We have a very special Hot Wheel Premium to unbox today. We're gonna let it free. Muy especial este carrito. Es una de esas películas favoritas en mi familia. This is one of our favorite movies in our family. My wife loves it. My kids loved it when they saw it, and it's always a holiday classic, right? This is the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. Very, very classic holiday movie. Muy bonito coche. So it's a very awesome collaboration from Hot Wheels and Disney. This series of premium cars. In this set, we have, this one is 3 out of 5. And in this set, the Mulan one that we recently opened up, it comes in this one. And we have our Aladdin car there too. These three are the ones that we have. In the previous video in the Mulan, I said that this one I wasn't sure if I had opened it or if I have it. I know I had it, but I don't know if I opened it. Well, I didn't open it. So now that I found it in storage, it's a good time to open it. Plus, it's already fall. Ya es el otoño, ya se siente como que se están haciendo las hojitas cafecitas, ya se está viniendo el frío, se debe de venir ya el frío. Aquí en Texas todavía está un poquito caliente, pero pues se siente ya la temporada de Halloween y de Christmas y todo. So cae muy bien para abrir este coche. So está muy padre. Ahí podemos ver que tiene metal on metal, metal y tiene gomas, tiene llantitas de goma. Como podemos ver, aquí está 1959 Cadillac Funny Car. This is a very, very cool funny car, which is inspired by the drag racing. So they make the hot rods type of cars. So very cool. There's the card. In this, you can see the poster of the movie and the lights. It's like in the movies. This one came out like around, I want to say 2019. Copyright 2019, so it came out in 2020. You know how that works? So that's when I picked these up. I also wanted to pick up the others, but I don't think I found these. I've been wanting to get this one because my wife loves that movie, and I almost have the whole set. So and we're big Disney fans in the house, so it's pretty nice to have this type of collection. I'm a fan of movies, y por eso los conseguí, porque me encantan las películas. That's why I got it, because I'm in love with movies. I like watching them, so I'm a real big film buff. So now I like to make these videos where I join both my diecast hobby and my love of movies. So here it is, one last time before this is closed. Una última vez de verlo antes de abrirlo. Todo está cerradito. Ahí está. Vamos a liberarlo, ¿no? Let's let it breathe. Vamos a dejarlo que respire. A veces se ve bonito. A mí me gusta tener la tarjetita. A veces se ve bonito y a veces no. Pero pues tenemos la memoria en el video y tenemos el carrito, es lo más importante. So, se me ve bien padre. Ya le vi algo que me encanta de este coche. Déjenme mover un poco los focos para que, y voy a hacerle zoom. Ahí está, mira qué chulada. Me encantan esos diseños ahí de las carved pumpkins, de las calabacines. I like that pinstripe, that's pretty cool. Then you got those pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns right there. You got Jack in the front on the hood. I like that little web and his little face right there, his stitched mouth and everything. The orange windshield is pretty cool. I like this. It looks like a hearse, like the chrome front. Oh, that looks nice. That looks very nice. I'm loving that little detail there on the lights. See the yellow lights? That's cool. Chrome front. The wheels look nice. They go very well with this Cadillac. We got more pinstripe on the other side, the same temples. The 3 little jack-o'-lanterns. And all that pinstripe. The stitching, and that's what it looks like. It looks like stitching or like weaving or a string. I love how that looks right there in the back. The rear, you know, like these little flaps. It looks like bat wings. And like vampire type feel. So very Halloweeny. Right there you got Sally and you got Jack Skellington. And that's a pretty cool temple right there. The design of I would say like it looks like the fence from the graveyard in the movie. So I think like, you know, any fencing to any house, any castle, metal fencing, that's pretty cool. So we got the little wheels back here, the metal, so when it does a drag, you know. And this is the best part. Some of you saw it at the beginning when I lifted this. That looks cool. That looks cool. Se ve padre esto. Es un detallito que me encantó. No sabía que lo hacían. A lo mejor ustedes sí ya saben de esto, pero yo no me di cuenta hasta ahorita que lo agarré. Se ve bien padre. Me gusta ese detalle. Ring, ring, ring. Love that. Oh look, the motor pops up right there. Nice. That's cool. Muy padre este coche. Este me encantó. Mira, lo pueden escuchar. Metal. Pure metal. Real riders on these. So on the design of the car, on the wheels, you can see that this one is, the front wheel is smaller than the back wheel. So that's cool. You get 2 different sizes of wheels if you have this type of car. For those customs, the guys that make the people that make the custom cars, you got 2 different sizes here. Pretty cool. Esto me encanta. Así lo voy a dejar. I'm not gonna do nothing to this car, just leave it like that. Whenever we get our display case, put this up with all the other movie prop cars. You know how that is. I like that. So very cool casting. Once again, Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas inspired car. Hot Wheels Premium. Metal on metal. Real riders. Nice, very heavy. You know, you can feel the texture, the details of all of the shape of the car. This funny car looks nice. Classic movie. Stop animation. You know, it's a very, very fun movie. So it's very welcomed in our family. So, amigas, amigos, coleccionistas, muchas gracias por todo el apoyo, por entonarte en el video. Que tengan mucha suerte en la cacería y que tengan un excelente día. Nos vemos a la próxima. Hasta luego. Bye. Thank you all for tuning in, for all the support. I wish you have a good day, good luck in the hunt, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.